Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are unveiling the secret to clear and glowing skin with the powerhouse duo of turmeric serum and turmeric cream. These are 100% natural and highly effective homemade skincare remedies to tackle your dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and acne scars. Both these remedies have turmeric as their main ingredient, and turmeric isn't just a spice. It's a superhero for your skin. It has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which brightens your skin complexion, fade dark spots, treats hyperpigmentation and also tackle those pesky acne scars. So if you're ready for glowing clear skin without all the chemical, then this video will tell you how to achieve that. So firstly, let's see how to prepare this homemade turmeric face serum. So now to prepare this turmeric serum, we firstly gonna need turmeric powder, and here I'm adding approx 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, or you can even take normal water if you want to, and add a little bit of rose water into it and then mix everything really nicely to make a smooth consistency paste. And after that, we have to strain it so that all the lumps could be removed from this turmeric paste. And after straining it well, now we'll add some other natural ingredients into it. So firstly, I'm using this vitamin E oil, and here I'm just adding approx 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. Next up, you're gonna need almond oil, and here I'm adding again 1 teaspoon of almond oil into it. And now we are just giving a good mix to all these ingredients. And now lastly, you're gonna need aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding approx 1/4 teaspoon of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, just mix everything really well to make it into a smooth and a creamy consistency serum. And once everything is nicely mixed, your homemade turmeric serum is ready, and it will look something like this. The consistency of this serum should be really smooth and runny as I'm showing you in the video, and it should be really shiny and glossy. So from reducing inflammation, brightening your skin, controlling acne, to its natural anti-aging properties and the radiant glowing skin which it provides, this turmeric serum offers a lot. It can also work wonders for your pigmented skin as it significantly reduces pigmentation and the appearance of dark spots, making it one of the best face serums. Now to store this serum, you just have to transfer this turmeric serum to a dark glass bottle with a dropper for easy and hygienic application. Dark glass helps to prevent the serum from light exposure, which can cause it to deteriorate. So I would highly suggest you to store it into a dark glass, and you should store it into a cool dark place away from direct sunlight and heat. And natural ingredients might separate over time, so give the bottle a little shake before each use to remix the serum. And remember that homemade skincare products don't have the preservatives of commercial products, so they generally have a shorter shelf life. So I would highly advise you guys to just make a smaller batch that you can use up within a reasonable time frame. So once you've crafted your turmeric serum, the question becomes, how do you make the most of it? So just after cleansing, apply a few drops of this homemade turmeric serum onto your face and pat it down into your skin, and gently massage it in circular motion so that your skin completely absorbs this serum, and then moisturize your skin with your favorite moisturizer. And with regular use, expect to see a natural radiance, a more even skin tone, and a reduction in common skin concerns. It's like having a beauty elixir in your very own DIY creation. So whether it's pigmentation, acne scars, stubborn dark spots, or just a desire for that radiant glowing skin, your homemade turmeric serum is the golden ticket to the complexion you have always desired right from your kitchen. And now to enhance the benefits of this face serum, we need a face cream to log in all the benefits into your skin. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade turmeric face cream. So to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need turmeric powder, and here I'm taking 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, and you can also take normal water if you don't have rose water with you. And here I'm adding approx 2 teaspoons of rose water into it, and then mixing both these ingredients so that it makes into a smooth and a runny paste. And after giving a good mix, now we have to strain this paste so that all the lumps and the grains can remove from the turmeric paste. So after straining this paste, now we'll add some more natural ingredients into it to prepare our cream. So firstly, we're going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. Next up, you're gonna need almond oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of almond oil into it. And after adding the almond oil, just give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they mix into a smooth paste and they all could mix with each other nicely. And after giving a good mix, now's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, just mix until it makes into a smooth and a creamy consistency cream. And after nicely mixing all these ingredients, your homemade turmeric cream is ready, and it will look something like this. This homemade cream is really effective in treating your dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, as well as to remove all the blemishes and acne scars from your skin. It's a highly effective skin brightening cream which also treats skin inflammation and really smooths and calm your skin. It has amazing hydrating and moisturizing properties into it as well. So it will deeply hydrate and nourish your skin, and has also the power to treat your wrinkles and fine lines, and it's an amazing solution for aging skin. So definitely use this cream if you have any dark spots, acne scars, wrinkles, pigmentation marks, or you want just bright and glowing skin. This cream will give you that in a short amount of time. And the consistency of this cream should be really smooth, creamy, fluffy, as I'm showing you in the video. So now to store this cream, I'm using this small glass airtight jar. You can use any airtight container to store this cream. And I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight jar. And you can store this cream in room temperature, or you can even keep it in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. And please remember that homemade solutions or home remedies usually have shorter shelf life because they don't have any additional preservatives into it, which makes it really good because they are completely homemade and completely natural. So always make a smaller batch so that you can use it within few days only. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So firstly, start with a clean face and then apply a little amount of this turmeric cream all over your face and neck, and gently massage this cream into your skin using upward and outward motions, and also pat it down into your skin for better absorption, and also apply a little extra on the areas where you have dark spots or pigmentation so that those area gets a little extra care. And if you have extremely dry skin, then you can also apply your regular moisturizer on top of this cream to prevent any dryness. And always use the sunscreen after applying this cream, because this cream is a turmeric cream and turmeric have curcumin into it, which does not go well with the sunlight. So always use the sunscreen after applying this cream, and if you're using it at night, then do apply sunscreen the next day. And for the best results, you should use this cream daily for few weeks to see visible results. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.